Welcome to the channel, everyone. Welcome to the channel. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I'm going to be unboxing a great product. It's from Noevsbig. It is a lamp with a magnifying glass on it. Whoa! Look at how neat that is. If you want to get into your locks and really see the pins, you're going to need this, a magnifying glass on a lamp with 50 different colors. Now this one is beautiful, right? But this one's big and it's 34 inches of stretch. You're going to love it. So let's unbox this bad boy and you're going to see just how important it is to have a lamp with a magnifying glass so you can see when you're unlocking your locks by picking them open. You're going to love it. So let's get into the show. This is from Noevsbig. They make great products and you're going to love them too. Noevsbig. Let's get into the show. We're going to have a fly-in. I love these fly-ins. I don't know if you love them as much as I do, but I really love them. Noevsbig, it's a lamp like this, a magnifying lamp, all right? But really big. And you're gonna love it because you gotta see when you're lock picking. Here it is on Amazon. It's a reasonably priced unit. You're gonna love it. Look at the price. $46. Let's get into the show. It's that time to hit that like button. That's very important for my channel, guys. Don't let time pass. Hit that like button now. Look at how nicely boxed this is. I mean, really, it's beautifully boxed. This is the other unit they sent me. This is just for lock picking. It's a magnetic stand. You have seen it on my other videos. Look at this. Oh, I love that. You can use this to shoot video. It's a great unit. It has 50 different colors, 34 inches of reach. I'm saying great unit. All right, let's unbox this bad boy. I have put this off for probably 2 months. They sent this to me. They said, give us a review. Oh, look at this. When you unbox one of their units, anything they make, it's really an unboxing. You're going to love it. Everything is built beautifully. It's covered nicely. Look at how nice that's packaged. All foam. Ooh, let's look at some of the parts and pieces. Wow, that's gorgeous. All right, let's take this thing out of here, out of the box. How about that? Ooh, I'm liking this. Let's take it out of the box. This came over the lens. That's glass, by the way. So I think it's 4 inches and 3 centimeters. Look at what it comes with. Something to clean the lens. That's important. All the paperwork necessary. Now this clamps onto your desk and it's 34 inches of great reach and also 22 inches when you push it back. That's really good to know. All kinds of great information. Has a great clamp, all rubber. So that clamps on your desk. Big, huge handles on it. Let's look at it close up. Ooh, Locksmith keyless. Kind of like that product too. Anything from Locksmith keyless, you're gonna love. It deserves the magnifying test. Ooh, I'm liking this thing. There's the light underneath it. It's all powder coated. What else does it come with? Ooh, something here. This is some kind of cover thing. And then we've got our power supply. That's nice. So it's all DC. Ooh, this is nice. Look at that. Spring loaded. Oh, and you can tighten it up. That is very important. So you can lock it into position. Ooh, that's cool. So let's go ahead and mount this bad boy and turn it on. Here's it on Amazon. Great price. 46 bucks. That's the unit I have right here. You can check my community post. There's a link there for it. Amazon to the rescue. Great stuff. Noevsbig. We're going to go ahead and mount it right here. I'll probably change that location later. But it goes right on the edge of your desk, just like so. We'll mount that right there. You know, the cool thing is, with it being glass, it's virtually indestructible, as long as you're careful. You can use Windex on it, anything you want. Look at how beautiful that cleans up. I like these microfiber cloths. They are great. Let's see how good this thing really is. Beautiful, really. 50 different colors. So I can use this to light my scenes up. I needed this. Ooh, that's slick. All powder coat. Spring loaded. You're gonna love it. This is how it mounts. So you could leave this to spin if you want. There it goes. And you can lock this in as well. All rubber pads. There's no little dimple thing that's going to wreck your furniture. That's nice. Let's go ahead and mount this bad boy. Ooh, that's nice and strong. Wow, this is so cool. Look at that. Let's go ahead and get some light on this thing. Oh yeah, this is too cool. Huge cable. Wow, let's see how long this cable is. Look how long this cable is, guys. It's just about 5 feet long. Probably is 5 feet. Cool, we need 5 feet. Let's go ahead and shut off my lights. There, I got all my lights shut off, other than some in the background. Look how cool this is. All right, now let's turn on the light. Whoa! Look at how neat that is. Wow. Super bright. Now let's see what it will do when I take all this stuff off of here. Gorgeous. So basically, this thing is going to be straight out. It doesn't articulate sideways. I can't turn it sideways. I want to, but it won't allow me to do that. So let's get some different lights. Okay. Wow, that is so cool. All right, we're going to change the different temperatures. There we go. Boy, is that easy to see. Why do I, oh, I've got this a little loose. There we go. So you can tighten that up anywhere you want. I can easily see through a magnifying glass. You cannot really tell how beautiful this magnifies for some odd reason. But I can just with my eyes. It's massive. Wow. I'm loving it. All right, see, you can loosen these up. And there's a pile of them. All kinds of these little apparatus. This allows me to lock it in place or just leave it kind of tight and it'll hold it where I want it. That's probably what they plan on doing right there. Yeah, like that. Pretty cool. So there you have it, guys. Noevsbig, a great magnifying detecting unit, a great light, and best of all, it has all kinds of adjustments. Look at that. Wow. Different colors. I like the blue. That is really neat. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to have a little fun with this, haven't I? Noevsbig, thanks for tuning in to the channel. This is Mike again with door and lock tips. We're going to have great stuff from this company. I love this company, and I got a bunch of products I'm going to show you. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips. Yeah, like this stuff coming your way in the future. Ooh, man.